So my experience with manifesting miracles has definitely been unexpected and eye-opening in ways, and also a lot of repetitiveness. I think that it's like many of these things I've heard before, I've known about, I've tried in the past, but sort of not been consistent. And I think that's a huge thing that I learned, is being consistent with my actions and what I want to become and be, and consistent with that. And I don't think that that's necessarily an easy thing. I mean, I think that it's easy to say, oh, be consistent, and, but for somebody who's been through a lot of things that make them really confused about what they should be even consistent with, and it's really hard to find that authentic voice within that's not clouded by all these other judgments. So it's definitely a lot, and it's definitely hard to even figure out what to say at all, because there's a lot that's been communicated and a lot that I've learned and a lot more to go from here. I don't know where that path will lead me necessarily, but I think it's just a very good moment in time for me to be doing this and take some aspects of it and implement that moving forward. It's definitely a journey. It's not a one time and done and move forward. So we'll see where it goes.